another long bike ride, and man, I need to refuel. No, no, no. No sugar! I need something more nutritious. Whew, so excited to eat healthy. It's gonna be great. Mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Ooh, organic. Because I love my nuts. No, no, no. Can't do it. Can't do it. No, no. No more messing around. It's time to get this diet started. Decided to start my healthy eating. No, 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 no. The cravings are real. I'm gonna stick through this. I got this. Fine. I give in. It's time for another challenge. What is going on, everybody? ErikTheElectric coming back to you guys again, my electric empire, with another video. It is almost Halloween, and I just want to say I hope you guys are having a fantastic day whenever you're seeing this. Let me just say I've never done an Oreo challenge before, and that's just what we're doing today. Here in America, we have access to things that blow people's minds. Ice cream, candy, chocolate, cakes, Pop-Tarts, crackers, everything, people, with many different types of products. Oreos just being one of them. So I thought to myself, why not start a new series called the Overload series, and Oreo is first up on that series list. Oreos are fantastic, but people, we don't just have Oreo cookies. No, we have Oreo cheesecakes, Oreo Pop-Tarts, Oreo chocolate bars, Oreo cereal, Oreo spread, Oreo ice cream, deep fried Oreos. People, this is America, we have it all. So I wanted to come up with something called the Oreo Overload Challenge. For this Oreo Overload Challenge, I'm gonna be going out and getting my favorite Oreo treats and some new Oreo things and combining it into one gigantic challenge. So Electric Empire, get ready, strap in, and hold on tight. This is about to be one epic challenge. Let's do this. And we're here at Walmart. It's time to get some Oreos. Good thing I brought my reusable Target grocery bag to shop in Walmart with. Thumbs up if you guys are stoked for Halloween. So I've been looking high and low for these State Fair deep fried Oreo cookies that just hit the shelves. We gotta find them. Oreos, that's not it. Said there were 3 in stock here. 3 in stock, don't lie to me. Yes. I'm gonna choose the best. Well, we have a ton of other Oreo variety thingies in this video, so I'm just gonna get a few flavors. Yes. Choices, choices. Health and fitness. Not officially an Oreo product, but we'll take it. They got a big crunch bar. That's sick. 10.5 ounces in. And now that we've gotten the goods, it's time to get to our next destination. Yes. I found him. I found him. I found him. I found him. I had to go to 2 different Walmarts for this, all right? Things I do for the Electric Empire. Silky smooth. And we're here at Peterson's Donuts. It's been about a few years since I included these donuts in my videos. Oh yeah. Can I get 3 Oreo donuts, please? The white cake and, okay. then 2 of the chocolate cake, please. He's got some weight to him, baby. We're about to have a massive Oreo challenge. It's time to get to our next destination. And we're here at the Cheesecake Factory. You guys know. Don't worry, don't worry. A Cheesecake Factory challenge is coming soon, but we gotta get the Oreo cheesecake here. Come on, people. Sweet. Oreos on the inside, only 1,600 calories. I wanted to get a slice of Oreo cheesecake to go, please, if possible.
No problem.
Thank you very much. Now that we got our cheesecake, it's time to get to our final destination. And like always, you guys know how convenient it is that I have a McDonald's right across the street from where I live. Hi there, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing great. Can I get 2 Oreo McFlurries, please? It's prime time, baby! Woo!
Alright, 2 Oreo McFlurries.
Thank you very much. You have a good day. Ooh, and we are back, people. We have a lot of Oreo goodness in this bag, and actually in this bag too. People, this is about to be insane. We have so much goodness in here, and yes, I know, I'm well aware my farmer's tan is horrible. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Are you? Nah, I don't think you guys are ready. Whew, look at all of that deliciousness, people. These are Oreo donuts. Welcome to the Oreo Overload Challenge, people. I got this idea from my boy, Mr. Nick Wary. He did an Instagram live stream a few months ago, ate a ton of Oreos. He ate like 250. I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna eat 250 Oreos, but I'm gonna get some Oreo carnage going on with the cereal, donuts, and oh yeah, that's right. Cheesecake, baby. Oh, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall. Don't. Ooh, I can't wait to have you inside me. Just forget that I said that. And you guys know I had to get some McFlurries from McDonald's. But actually, you know what? I gotta put these in the fridge. Don't want them to melt. Alrighty, guys. So as I was saying, you guys have requested a challenge like this for a long time, and I'm so happy to be bringing it to your eyes. I asked my Instagram crew. I said, you know what, guys? Do you want to see a challenge today? And you know what? They said they did. I listened to my Electric Empire, so you know what? I'm filming a challenge today. And guess what? Halloween is right around the corner, and I got special plans for Halloween. It's gonna be a very, very sweet challenge. It's gonna be a lot of candy. If you guys are excited about Halloween like I am, you guys gotta comment down below. Let's get all this unwrapped and presentable, people. You already know Oreos. And I had to search for this, okay? I had to go to 2 different Walmarts to find these. Deep fried Oreos, baby. And of course, we had to get some milk, nut milk. Favorite flavor of Oreos. Now, before I unwrap all these, I want you guys to know that opinions are like assholes. I mean, opinions, guys, everyone's gonna have an opinion, okay? That's fantastic, but this is my opinion. You guys go, oh, Eric, you should have threw in like double stuffed golden, Rocky Road, Swedish Fish Oreos, bro. Those are like the best. That's great. Those are the best to you. I get that, but these are the best to me. Birthday cake Oreos. More Oreo candy bars. And Diet Pepsi, because guess what, guys? We kind of have to watch our figure. Boom, a massive chocolate bar. This is huge, guys. And this, my friends, is the only non-Oreo product that I purchased. Now, I really gotta get all this presentable. Oh my goodness, oh my gosh, this is gonna be crazy. And look at that, people. Can we just take the moment? Tickets, take the food moments. Look at that, people. Those are delicious chocolate and vanilla Oreo donuts. I'm excited. Woo! That's for the thumbnail, guys, come on. Unless you're a YouTuber, I doubt you'd understand. Yes, my hands are clean, I think. We have deep fried Oreos, we have a ton of Oreo candy, we have Oreo donuts, we have the first Oreo overload challenge. Now I want you guys to know, this is the first video in my overload series I plan on having. Next challenge should be the Reese's overload challenge, if you ask me. The next challenge could be a Hershey's overload, which is gonna be very chocolatey. Guys, throw some suggestions down below with what you want the next overload challenge to be. Who knows, if I pick your challenge, I might give you a little shout out. Now that that's out of the way, people, I can let you all know the total calories for this entire challenge that we have in front of us right here. Those are gonna be listed like right there. This is gonna be a lot of chocolate and a lot of sugar as well. So you guys are probably gonna wanna know how much sugar is in all of this. Macros, those are gonna be listed like right there for you guys. Now, my friends and family, my Electric Empire, it's time for the Oreo Overload Challenge. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we got everything presentable. I did have to move my cheesecake over to a more appropriate plate. It was taking up too much space. Don't worry, all the cheesecake's still there. Now, you guys know Diet Pepsi. We wouldn't wanna get too wild. Health and fitness. And of course, you guys gotta give the video a like if you poop today. And I promised my Instagram followers, I asked my Instagram audience, I said, you guys gotta vote right now. Do you want me to live stream this goodness? And guess what? The overwhelming majority of them said yes. So we're gonna live stream this on Instagram. And if you guys haven't yet, you guys gotta follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, ErikTheElectric. Instagram is watching me right now. Oh, these McFlurries are already melted. I have the worst headache in the world because I've been sitting in front of this delicious looking food. Guess what, people? We're gonna start with the donuts. This looks absolutely amazing. And I can say fitness. Fit this whole Oreo donut in my mouth. First bite, and it's fire! Oh my goodness, my voice just cracked. That's really awkward. Whew. Like my friends, that is a cakey donut. Can't lose out on any calories. All right, that is a vanilla cake donut. I'm sorry, man. Oh gosh, so much frosting on this. All right, so those were amazing. I have to get into these McFlurries though. They are. Oh yeah, it's a little melted. It's actually like drinking it now. I feel like this is just for Instagram, like seriously, like just ASMR mode. Boom, first one's down. Whew, goodness. Boom, second one's down. Man, what am I gonna do next? Should I just finish these out? I don't really know. But what I do know is we got cookies and cream. Now, this doesn't have an Oreo logo on it, but I'm doing it anyways for the challenge. This looks absolutely spectacular. Spectacular. Oh goodness gracious, that does look sexual. That looks like some sexual spread. I need to stop with that. Wow. Tastes like Nutella and Oreos. What we're gonna do right now, just put, actually, just try these right there. Just the way they are, let's do it. Not a fan of the deep fried Oreos. Let's continue this. It's great because this is almond milk, and almond milk, healthier for you. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Actually, it's not gonna fit. That's what you said. I know you guys are. Oh, it does fit. There you go, guys. W! Oh! W! That is amazing. I've never dunked a donut in almond milk before. Guess what, guys? It's legit. That coffee's horrible, but it's okay. Last donut, right there. Ooh. And just like that, the donuts are done. Get into some of these Oreo cookies. Birthday cake, first one. Just like that. Take those out. Let's do this. You knew what's coming. I've already been overwhelmed with birthday cake flavor, but we have these here. They're decent. If I was to give them an overall rating, 7 out of 10. Alright guys, well, those are all done. It's time to get into some of these candy bars. Start with the big one here, since it's like the elephant in the room. That is massive, people. My goodness. It's colossal. I don't know what to say right now, but man, I'm a little scared. Break this open, just like so. Oh, look at the inside. That's some Oreo goodness right there. That's good. Wow, is that good? Cool. Oh man, this is insane. The cheesecake is not looking good right now. Ugh. The next bar. I mean, since Halloween is coming up, guys, I want you to let me know down below what your favorite candy bar is. I need some ideas, people. Halloween challenge is gonna be insane. This unwrapping business is insane. All right, guys, and here we go. That's another good one. It's like giving birth. Jeez, I'm not even a woman. I feel like I shouldn't even be saying that. There's a lot of chocolate, guys. I can't even organize these right now. I have a feeling I'm never gonna want to look at an Oreo ever again. Hot too. Here's the thing, guys, before I get into the Oreos, I just wanted to read some really awesome comments that I got in the last video. Kelsey Buxton says, why are you so extremely entertaining? Well, thank you, Kelsey, I appreciate that. Your poop color must be dark, man, after eating this huge amount of chocolate. I don't even want to think about that right now. ErikTheElectric, you're the best at what you do for a living. Well, thank you very much, Kira Butler. Do a baklava challenge. If you want to send me some, feel free. Dude, how are you not dead or have a heavy diabetes yet? That's the thing, guys. I don't think you should make jokes about diabetes. It's a serious disease. And one meal or a few meals is not going to get you diabetes. The speeding up makes me question how much of this is legit. Well, if you guys want to watch a 40-minute video of a guy doing a food challenge, which no one really does, watch my all-American mukbang, however you say that. But you know what, guys? Let's take a little test run right now. Let's take a little test run. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cool. Got that in my eye. Super good. Yeah, cringe enough? That's why I speed up my videos. The thought just occurred to me, I have not dipped my Oreos yet in milk, as I should have. Proper dunking time, 8 seconds minimum. Anything else is way too overkill. What's your dunking time? Let me know. There goes the Oreos. Well guys, birthday cake is all done. Now, we gotta get into some of these Oreos. Let me just say that I do really like these. And you know, we gotta have the milk pour. Effort. Determination. It's been a while since the milk pour has been featured in a video. And of course you guys know how to break out my trusty cereal spoon. Let's go. The cereal's delicious. Oh, I gotta finish this off. It's a pretty crazy challenge, people. Tell you what, guys, if you're still with the flow of the video, what I want you guys to comment down below is cereal. So we're getting cereal-tastic right now. That awkward moment where you poured way more milk than you needed. How many of you guys have done that before? Comment, let me know. How many of you have done it? It's a pretty bad feeling. All right, guys, now I gotta get into this cheesecake right here. This may be pretty deconstructed by now, but it's cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory, and they are always good. It's fire. Little Oreo pieces inside. Goodness gracious. It's the best cheesecake I've had in a long time. I've got the sugar sweats going on right now. Man. Cheesecake is done, and I have the worst sugar headache right now. Gotta get into cinnamon roll Oreos right now. Just look at it, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. And it tastes like a cinnamon roll. So I'm wearing a donut headband. I need to know down below, are you guys team donut or team cookie? What do you guys think about that one? These are all done. Oh, I'm going to pull up a gift that I got last night from my mom. My mom made me cookies. Said, Mama TheElectric, I'm gonna save these for the Oreo challenge that I have. If you're to ask me what I'm team anything, it's, I gotta be team donut. Sorry, guys. There's nothing like mom's cookies. At this point, it's like, why not? Ugh. And now it's time for last bits of Oreos. Whew. That is a work of art. Oh. That was horrible. Ugh. Never touching Oreos ever again. And then all that we have left are 3 measly Oreos. Oh. Final one. Oh, I don't even know what just happened. Well, everyone, that has been the Oreo Overload Challenge. I can tell you right now that that was a lot of sugar, and I'm feeling it right now. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell right next to that subscribe button so you guys get notified whenever a future upload happens. Electric Empire got a lot coming for Thanksgiving, for Halloween, Christmas, and so on. If I haven't said enough already, follow me on my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. You know the drill. Thanks again for watching the video, everybody. Whew.